Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this very short video, we'll be discussing example 16.8 and solving practice problems 16.8 about the transfer function. So straight away on the example 16.8, we have to find the transfer function HS, which will be V out over I in. Now, V out is this and I in is I0. Now to find V0, we need to find I2. So we can find only if we know I2. And I2 can be found from here by the current division rule. This is the current entering, dividing into two paths. In this branch, we need to find the current. So we know the formula by current division rule. I2 will be the total current divided by total impedance. Total impedance is sum of this and multiplied by opposite arm. So for I2 the opposite arm is S plus 4, so we multiply by that. Now that we have got I2, we can find V0. V0 is 2 times I2, 2 into I2. Putting in the value of I2, and from here we can take I0 on this side to find V0 over I0. So HS is V0 over I0, which will be equal to V0 divided by I0, simplifying, further simplifying, and further simplifying, we get this answer. So this is the answer. Now let's see the practice problem. Same circuit. The only difference here is that we have to find the function I1 over I0. So I1 over I0. I1 we'll find using the same current division technique. So I1 is the total current divided by total impedance multiplied by opposite arm. Now for this case, the opposite arm is this one. So we multiply by that. And from here now, since we need I1 over I0, which is HS, so we just bring this I0 here. Whatever is left is the answer. We can simplify it further. Simplifying, further simplifying, we get this answer, which is the same as given in the book. So I hope you have been able to follow this. Thank you.